Understanding, take to the cleaners, a dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, take to the cleaners. Have you ever wondered what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversations? Well, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery of this intriguing idiom together. The phrase, take to the cleaners, is an idiom that means to defraud, swindle, or cheat someone out of a lot of money. It can also imply causing a significant loss to someone, often financially. Interestingly, this expression has nothing to do with actual cleaning. Instead, it's a colorful way to describe a situation where someone ends up on the losing side of a deal, often in a manner that feels thorough and comprehensive, as if they've been completely cleared out. The origin of take to the cleaners is believed to be from the early 20th century, possibly linked to the practice of taking clothes to a cleaner and then feeling like you were charged too much, essentially being cleaned out of money. Over time, it evolved to describe any scenario where someone suffers a major loss, not just financially but in any context where they feel utterly defeated or exploited. Now that you know what it means, let's put take to the cleaners into action. Here are a few examples. After investing in what turned out to be a fraudulent scheme, I was taken to the cleaners. In the last round of negotiations, our company was taken to the cleaners by the other party. He thought he was good at poker, but the other players took him to the cleaners. Using this phrase can add a layer of vividness to your storytelling, especially when discussing situations involving loss or deception. It's important to note that while idioms like take to the cleaners can add flair to your language, they also carry cultural context. This phrase is widely understood in English-speaking countries, but remember, idioms can sometimes confuse non-native speakers or be taken literally. Always consider your audience's familiarity with English idioms and be ready to explain if needed. And there you have it, a complete guide to understanding and using the phrase, take to the cleaners. We hope this video has cleared up any confusion and added a new expression to your English repertoire. Remember, learning a language is all about discovering new ways to express yourself and understanding the nuances that make it so rich and interesting. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more fascinating aspects of the English language.